Hello, my name is John Ferris and today I'd like to introduce you to a site called Create My Dish, which as you can see creates the options for different forms of food. And quite often we'll find with this particular product that we're actually able to select a number of ingredients to get something from the fridge that will work. So on this site, not only have you got all the lovely different types of food that could be created with or including a potato. Here we go, there's the word potato appearing for you. But also we've got a number of different options showing us how we can use the site and the frequently asked questions that we will likely to find that we are interested in. So just to prove it works, we are going to type in a key ingredient that many of us will have somewhere in the fridge, the word egg. Now egg, as we can see here, regularly features within the site. So what else do we have? Well, we have an indication of the featured vegetarian option. We have the before you start guides, ingredients, gathering all the ingredients for the process. We have our calorie level. If I move myself over here, you'll see it even better. The servings, calorie level, and the fact it's a vegetarian dish. And you've also got the servings as well, and the time it takes to actually serve this particular dish. So will all dishes be the same? No. So what happens if we go into here? You'll notice things like dietary considerations like high sugar content. Now if for example you're a diabetic, that might be relevant to some concerns or considerations you may well have. But it also tells you about the sauces, cheeses, etc. So you've got loads of information on the site, and I'm hoping it'll be of some help to you. You can see that we have lots of dietary notices containing meat and fish, high carbohydrate content and sugar content there as well. So you can type in the dish there, the information in there. If you're preparing food, can I just point out the fact that this is the potential things like allergies and dietary restrictions and health conditions for those that are consuming if you're cooking. But overall, we're hoping this site's of some use. So you've got Create My Dish as being the dish for here. Thanks very much indeed for watching this particular video.